Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread rise using an easy method. Achieving a perfect rise starts with the right ingredients and careful technique. We will cover selecting the best bananas, understanding how leavening agents work, and proper mixing to ensure a light, airy loaf every time. Get ready to bake your best banana bread with confidence. Understanding your leavening agents is crucial for a good rise. Baking soda needs an acid, like the lactic acid in sour cream or buttermilk, to activate. Baking powder, however, is a complete leavener, containing both acid and base, often providing a double-acting lift. Always check their freshness for best results. If you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more baking wisdom. And speaking of keeping things fresh, quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for storing your delicious banana bread or anything else. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Proper mixing is key to a tender crumb. Combine your dry and wet ingredients gently, mixing only until no streaks of flour remain. Overmixing develops gluten, which can make your banana bread tough and dense. Also, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent, even baking throughout the loaf. To ensure a great rise, avoid these common pitfalls. Always check the expiration dates on your baking soda and baking powder. Old leavening agents are ineffective. Adding too much liquid can also weigh down your batter, preventing it from rising properly. Finally, keep that oven door closed to maintain consistent temperature.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.